Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a very special scale model. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin.
This is the item. It is a diecast model classic car, 1:32 scale. So let's open it.
This is the product.
It is a 1:32 scale model diecast car. It comes with two openable front doors. And just look at the detailing of the interior. This vintage toy comes with a pullback action feature. If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to your 10 friends. This is what I liked most, that the rear tires were covered. That makes this toy very unique. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video, bye.